Welcome, shipmates. Today is Monday, October 17th. I am Tyrick.
And I am Noha. As a reminder, this Thursday will be early dismissal day at 11:45 a.m., with staff having professional development in the afternoon. Schools are closed on Friday for the MSEA convention. Attention students and staff, just in time for colder temperatures, Bennett beanies are now on sale. Red and black options available, cost is $20, and orders can be submitted to the guidance office or jsarig@wcboe.org. Proceeds will benefit the Sanko Beck Memorial Scholarship Fund.
This week is Maryland College Application Campaign Week. It is a week dedicated to helping our seniors with their post-high school college plans. Students will have the opportunity to meet with their counselors, admission recruiters, and staff to prepare for college. Warwick will be coming on Wednesday to support students in completing their FAFSA application. Parents can attend or send tax documentation to aid the completion of FAFSA. We will have drawings for prizes each day to those who attend the event. Unity Day is Wednesday, October 19th. Wear and share orange to show your kindness, acceptance, and inclusion.
The ASVAB is a valuable assessment that can provide feedback regarding strengths, interests, and career opportunities. There will be an info session held tomorrow during Flex. Interested students should sign up in the guidance office. Mock trial will begin shortly. If you are interested in joining the team, please join our Google Classroom to remain in the loop. The class code is TJIUHKK.
Drama practice will be held today at 3 to 4 in the JMB auditorium. Please remember to bring your mock costumes as we are retaking photos today. Boys basketball will hold open gym every Tuesday and Thursday in October, 6 to 8 p.m. in the gym. Mandatory to have a physical and form relief.
There will be a softball interest meeting held on Monday, October 24th in E124. If you are unable to attend but want to learn more, please contact Ms. Fitzgerald or Mrs. Baumann at kfitzgerald@wcboe.org or sbaumann@wcboe.org. There will be a boys lacrosse interest meeting in D102 on Tuesday, October 25th at 2:50 p.m. See Coach Sandlin or Coach Cirillo if you are unable to attend.
The Fall Blood Drive will be held at JMB on Wednesday, November 2nd in the wrestling room. We are looking for 62 students at JMB who are 17 years old or older to make a difference in their community. Your donation can actually save up to 3 lives. Donors must be age 17, weigh 110 pounds, and be in good general health. Parent permission is not required, nor does a parent need to be there present donating. See the sign-up link in your school email or your class of Google Classroom.
Hi, I'm Jocelyn, and I am a multiple recipient of blood transfusions due to having cancer, which really helped to save my life. So I'd like to ask all of you if you could please donate. You have to know that you are saving multiple lives and helping families get through really rough periods.
And that's all we have for you today, JMB.
Have a great day, JMB. Clink.